Hi, Corey Barkau here at Barkau Automotive in Stockton, Illinois, and today I'm here to introduce you to the all-new 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Purpose-built to deliver more of everything. Power, capability, infinite freedom. It is a whole new chapter in the history of the Jeep brand, written to inspire exploration and adventurous discovery. Since we won the Customer First Award for Excellence, we received this Wrangler before other dealers in America. Jeeps have been around since 1941, and the Wrangler is the most recognizable vehicle in the world. So famous that the Wrangler is the only vehicle to not put a logo on the front grille. The new Wrangler is more off-road capable than ever before, featuring 3 different top options. A removable hardtop, which is on this Wrangler here, a retractable soft top, and a Sky One Touch power top, never before offered in a Wrangler. The new 2018 Wrangler is more fuel efficient than ever before, getting 18 city and 23 highway miles per gallon, with a 3.6 liter V6 pumping out 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque, with a 2-liter turbocharged option coming later this year. You can pair this motor with a 8-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual option. Also, there are lighter doors and roof, making for improved fuel economy along with ease of removal. The 2018 Wrangler is more technologically advanced than ever before, featuring all-weather push-button start, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto capabilities. Along with backup camera, lane keep assist, parking sensors, Uconnect 4 touchscreen and digital cluster, heated and cooled seats, along with a heated steering wheel, all are available options on the all-new 2018 Jeep Wrangler. This 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sport has an MSRP of $42,090, so stop in at Barkau Automotive today to check out this new Jeep.